function of their own domestic considerations. But as the ANC, we are of the opinion that we must continue to engage with the Trump administration because it's in our interest as the second trade partner to South Africa. And it's
whether the ambassador to the US should be white or black, the ANC is a non-racial organization, and as we look at the ambassador who will be appointed by the president, in terms of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, we are going to look for a capable South African that we believe is fit and proper, meets the requirements of being an ambassador to the United States or to any other country that we want to deploy that person to.
We also appreciate the fact that we are a nation that is still building itself to